Google Pixel 8 Pro is packed with features that make it a top contender in the smartphone market. So if you're considering upgrading your phone, stick around because I'm going to give you 5 solid reasons why the Pixel 8 Pro should be your next device. And hey, if you're convinced, don't forget to check out the link in the description for the best deals. Reason number 1 to get the Pixel 8 Pro is its incredible camera system. We're talking about a 50 megapixels main sensor that captures stunning details even in low-light conditions. The 48 megapixels telephoto lens brings distant subjects closer without compromising quality, and the 48 megapixels ultra-wide lens captures breathtaking landscapes. But that's not all. Google's computational photography magic takes your pictures to the next level with features like Photo Unblur and Magic Eraser. The Pixel 8 Pro is a powerhouse when it comes to performance. Thanks to the Google Tensor G3 chip, you'll experience smooth multitasking, blazing fast app launches, and incredible gaming performance. With 12 gigabytes of RAM, you can handle demanding tasks without any lag. And let's not forget about the clean and intuitive Android 14 interface, which makes everything feel effortless. It boasts a gorgeous 6.7-inch Super Actua display that delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible clarity. The 120 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and animations, making everything feel buttery smooth. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or simply browsing the web, this display is a visual treat. Battery life is crucial, and the Pixel 8 Pro doesn't disappoint. With a massive 5050 mAh battery, you can easily make it through a full day of heavy use without worrying about running out of juice. And when it's time to recharge, the fast charging technology gets you back up and running in no time. The Pixel 8 Pro benefits from Google's incredible software ecosystem. You get features like Google Assistant, which can help you with tasks, set alarms, and control smart home devices. There's also the Pixel Recorder, which transcribes audio recordings with incredible accuracy. And let's not forget about the regular software updates and security patches that keep your phone running smoothly and protected. If you're looking for a device that offers a fantastic camera, top-notch performance, a stunning display, long battery life, and the best of Google's software, then the Pixel 8 Pro is definitely worth considering. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.